Hello and welcome. Let's skin some salmon and whip up some delicious recipes. So to remove salmon skin at home, it's very easy. It doesn't need any complicated equipment. All you need is hot water. So as you can see, when I try to pull the skin of this salmon, it doesn't come off, and you shouldn't try to pull it off like that because you're gonna rip the salmon flesh. So get a wide plate and then get a smaller bowl and place it upside down on the plate. I do this because I do not want the hot water to cook the salmon's underside, so this helps to protect the inner side. So yeah, just pour hot water on the salmon, and then it's quite cringy how it crawls, but go ahead and rip off the skin gently, and as you can see, it should come off very easily. The hot water really helps to separate it from the flesh. Yeah, so that is it. And then you do the same with another piece. Again, just lay it upside down. Yeah, as you can see, the skin is attached tightly, but once you lay that upside down and then pour some hot water on it, it's gonna be very easy to rip it off. So go ahead and peel off the skin, again very gently, so that you do not damage your fillet. Most of the skin should come off easily. However, I noticed that the tail end was a bit problematic to skin. The skin was very soft, so it would keep breaking, but just be gentle and you will do it. Yeah, so this section was not as easy, but yeah, after you're done skinning your salmon, you may need to rinse it off, because as you can see, we have some debris there from the skin. I've rinsed it off. Now it's ready to go. So here, this is what it looks like. It's very clean and ready for some awesome recipes. Skinning salmon is good for recipes that maybe need you to cut it into cubes, or if you just don't want to be bothered by the skin. So look at that. I do have the recipe for the salmon as well as the zucchini and the rice on the side. So thank you, and see you in another video. Bye bye.